Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Please feel free to write me at walkwithtak@gmail.com if you have any question regarding to this video or any other videos that I have posted in the past. If you have any videos that you would like me to make, please let me know. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. I have a close friend who lives in town, and her daughter recently got married. She is a librarian in a local university, and he is a data analyst working for an insurance company, and he works at home most of the time. And what they like to do is that they like to do more home cooking, and after they learn about my fast cooking system, they became very interested. Because they would like to cook a meal from scratch using all fresh ingredients in less than 30 minutes. And my friend asked me whether I can give them a cooking class, a demonstration of some of the stir-frying dishes that they can cook readily. And I decided that this would be the best way for me to introduce them to the fast cooking system. So I went over to their house and I brought my propane burner. The reason that I brought my propane burner is because it's the burner that I use in my cooking school. I used to have a cooking school, and I provide students with hands-on experience, and they use this propane burner together with a wok. This turned out to be the best way to learn stir-frying, because hands-on experience means a great deal. As Benjamin Franklin said, "You tell me, I forget. You teach me, I remember. You involve me, I learn." And by having them directly involved in cooking a dish themselves, I think they will have much greater understanding of the process, and it is far easier for them to remember by just watching me how to do it. And this method turned out to be very effective in my cooking class. So this is why I decided I'm going to have them to make two dishes. The first dish is a scrambled dish because they both told me that they enjoy eating egg. And the second dish is a tofu dish. They love tofu, and both of these are very simple and quick to cook. The first step in cooking this dish is to learn how to spot season the wok, which is very simple, and they just heat up the wok until it starts to smoke gently, and then they let it smoke for another 15 seconds, and this is time when the wok is being seasoned to create a non-stick cook surface. Now, cooking the scrambled dish is extremely simple, and it's one of those dishes that you can cook very quickly. And if you are in a bind, you want something really fast, this is definitely a dish to try. And my friend's daughter was cooking this dish. You notice that she used the wok spatula to push the cooked egg from the edge of the wok to the center, and this allowed the uncooked egg to fill the empty space. This is a very efficient way to cook this dish because it allows you to cook it really fast, and usually when you cook it this way, the dish will be done in about 2 or 3 minutes. The dish is referred to as a scrambled because the method how you cook this dish results in a combination of a scrambled egg and an egg omelette. As you notice here, now the egg is almost done. So the next step is that she's going to add some ingredients to the egg. And what I suggest them to add is some frozen vegetable mix that contains frozen carrot, frozen peas, frozen corn, and frozen edamame. Now the beauty of this dish, because the way how you cook it, you don't even have to thaw out the frozen vegetable. You can add them directly from the freezer to the wok, and that makes this dish simple, efficient, and fast to cook. After she added the frozen vegetable to the wok, she used the wok spatula to fold the egg over the frozen vegetable like you would do with an egg omelette. And the end result is that this dish has the quality both of scrambled egg as well as an egg omelette. And the next thing she's going to do is that she's going to add just a small amount of cherry tomatoes that has been cut in half. This will add flavor as well as to give color to the dish. She seasons the dish using the Walk with Tak Basic Seasoning Mix, which I have available on Amazon, and you can give it a try if you would like. Now, this seasoning mix is relatively mild. It will enhance the savoriness of the ingredients rather than overwhelming it. In addition, she then seasoned the dish with a combination of oyster sauce and soy sauce to the flavor that she would like. As you can see, this dish only took about 3 to 4 minutes to cook. It is very fast and it's very flexible, and you can substitute the ingredients accordingly. And next, my friend's son-in-law is going to cook this dish. He loves tofu, so this dish is perfect for him. We don't need to wash the wok. All we have to do is to add a little bit more oil, because the egg dish left almost no flavor on the wok, and the tofu dish has a stronger flavor, so it works very well. Now, we're also going to use the same vegetable mix to cook this dish. The vegetable mix will add interesting contrast to the tofu, and they will find that even though we use the same vegetables, the result will be quite different because of the tofu and how the dish is going to be seasoned. I asked him how he liked his dish, and he said he liked it to be spicy. So first of all, we add some hot chili pepper flake, and then I'm going to have him to add some hot sesame oil. Since both my friend and my wife do not like spicy food, so I told him that in the future he can add more to adjust to his own personal preference. Next, he added extra firm tofu from Aldi. You can get tofu from Walmart as well. Extra firm usually works quite well. Next step is that I add some soy sauce. Again, I asked him how salty he would like it to be. And then this is followed by adding some oyster sauce. This will provide savoriness to the dish. And then to provide a little bit sweetness, I have him add some hoisin sauce. Before cooking this dish, I have them taste oyster sauce and hoisin sauce. And this is followed by adding some garlic pepper. In the beginning, I asked them to taste the flavor of these sauces, so they will have a good idea when he add to the dish. He will know what to expect. Of course, it is not perfect, but it certainly provide him some guidance. And a few more stir, the dish is ready to be served. The total cook time of these two dishes is a bit over 10 minutes. They were both very impressed how quickly they can cook this dish. And they said that this actually took less time than if they would have eaten frozen food. Furthermore, they were very impressed that they can cook this dish basically from all fresh ingredients. Eggs are fresh, tofu are fresh, and the frozen vegetable is pretty much like fresh vegetables. This will allow them to eliminate eating fast and ultra-processed food. This video provides a demonstration of their different ways for stir-frying. If you are pushed for time, you can take a simpler way. And if you have more time, then you can cook more elaborate meal. Now in this case, it's just a demonstration. If you come home late and you want something really quick, and you have frozen vegetable in the refrigerator, and you have some egg, and if you have some tofu, all of this require minimum amount of preparation, and you can start cooking almost immediately after you enter the kitchen. And in about 10 minutes, you will have two dishes, not only enough for you to have for your meal, but you probably have some left over for your meal the next day. Today, there are a lot of people who are tired of eating fast and ultra-processed food, and they would like to eat food that are cooked from scratch using all fresh ingredients. And this type of meal used to be very difficult for anybody to prepare using the traditional home cooking approach. But by using the fast cooking system through advanced prepping and stir frying, this will allow you to cook a meal in actually usually not more than 15 to 20 minutes. On top of that, by template-based cooking, you can make adjustments and variations to your basic template to create a lot of diversity. For example, in this scrambled dish, you can substitute the frozen vegetable with many other type of ingredients, such as cheese, ham, broccoli, asparagus. All of this will go well with this dish. And furthermore, through flavor chasing, you can adjust the flavor of the dish to exactly how you would like them. So give this a try, and you will find that if you are interested to make home cooking as part of your daily routine and to eliminate the consumption of fast and ultra-processed food, this will be probably a good solution for you. I post a video each day to help you to make home cooking as part of your daily routine using my fast cooking system. With this cooking system, you can make home cooking practical, efficient, creative, and fun. So if you'd like to learn more about the fast cooking system, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. So keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.